Okay, so hello guys. My name is Ram and this is what I've created in Bolt. It's an ERP system, business system that does everything you need to run your business like inventory, financial, team, collab, analytics, and supply chain document management and project management is still ongoing but customization is available. So yes, this is a SaaS system, which there's only one plan, custom plan so far. And yeah, so this is called business usual. It's deployed in Netlify for now. So you can sign up, you create an account here. For example, and then the password. There you go. It opts you to create a business. So let's start. We call this business food truck. So that would be food and beverage. So let's create. Then now it will show you your dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard has the available graphs and analytics, and can also be dragged and dropped and viewed to expand, and it can be viewed weekly, by quarter, or compact view, expanded view, and can refresh your data. So far we have nothing, zero. So now let's go to the HR. This is the human resources view, and you can add an employee. So let's add myself, just a test email, dummy number. There's no department yet, so test job, or maybe cashier, and then active hire date would be today. Salary, let's say $100. And let's add this employee, and there you can view the employees, and you can edit, and you can also delete. And there you go. And also there's also a payroll. You can create a payroll for the employee, but we don't currently have a employee, so maybe I'll just create again because we deleted it. Okay, let's go to payroll. Let's create this myself for the payroll. Pay period start, pay period end. You can add an allowance, test allowance of 100, deductions, test deduction 100. So yeah, the status still draft. Let's say it's still a draft. Currently, yeah, because you need to set paid to enable the payment, but yeah, just say draft for now, test no. Okay, let's create a payroll, and there you go. It's a drafted payroll, which you can view also and edit here, or you can just click the icon also and delete. So for the leave also, the HR can request a leave. So vacation leave, let's say tomorrow, and the end date would be next day tomorrow, total days, test. Then submit request, and so the HR can reject and approve. So view, do the reject and approval, edit and delete. Okay, that's delete. Okay. This can also be exported CSV. So yeah, it will generate a CSV file. And yeah, as you can see, this is the okay, and hmm, wonder where my name is. There it is. So yeah, I'm not a pro mem. I'm not a. I don't. I think I've deactivated my license in Excel. So yeah, that's you can see here my name for the generated CSV file. And then let's go back. So actually, yeah, here we can add the department. That's what I was missing. So IT department. Let's say IT manager. Yeah. So you add the select department. Now it goes here. So yeah, and then also you can import the CSV and you can download this template. Which yeah, so if you want a bulk import, like if you have a lot of employees, there's also an export CSV here. Export PDF currently, yeah, it's not working. I was, yeah, it's still ongoing on construction. And now let's go to finance, which, oh yeah, I forgot that we have this customize button here. You can customize a field, which is currently, yeah, there's a core module, future update. Yeah, it's still ongoing. Basically, you can add a field, and actually, you can also edit the fields, the existing field, which is not displaying yet. Yeah. So, and also the grid configuration, like what displays would you want the grid to display? Like what data? Like column rows, just like in a database. Yeah, this is using Supabase. My Supabase here. Let's just open it for you to see. This one. As you can see, I'm here. I'm the 2025, the username. And I have a roles here and role role protection, like role level security. So that was the Supabase, and now yes, here you can add a transaction for the finance department. So there's an income and expense. So if income, let's say 100. Today category, we have no category yet. You can add like food or something. Then, why is it not food? Uh, EO. Okay, so that function is not working. So food. the reference, let's say blah blah blah. Net transaction, yeah, there you go. You have 100 bucks income, no expenses, so your net income is 100. There's also an invoice, and you can also import and export again and export PDF. Yeah, let's see if this works out. No, it's not. It doesn't work. So let's create an invoice. Uh, oh yeah, there's no customer, so we need to input a customer. So let's see if it works without a customer. Uh, sent. Oh wait, pay, pay. So let's add a night. This 100. Now let's just say it's sent. You can also add and also remove and create that invoice. Yeah, it's created. So it can also view. Wait. Okay. So there's an error. I can't edit. Oh, I can edit, but I can't view. Amazing. So let's go to. Oh no, this one. Oh, yeah, it still does the error. So now that we have this, let's try. I wonder if no. How about experts? Yes, we. Does it do? No, it's just supposed to export the PDF, but I think yeah, the export PDF is not working. That's why. Hmm. So let's go to the point of sale system. Actually, this is just the grid view. So if you click the new sale here, it will go to a separate view, which is you can find here the inventory of items, the billing queue, and reports of the sales. So yeah, so let's get back to this later. Let's add an inventory. Okay, add a product. Let's say taco. Stock it. Number one, one, two, three, four, five. Category. I wonder if this works. Let's say carbs. No, it doesn't do it. So let's try the screenshot. Price is 50 bucks. Stock is 10. It's just 10. And this one's low stock alert will go to the notifications by the way later. Taco. And let's add this product. There you go. Got a taco. And how do I? So yes, now let's after the custom modules. Let, let's see if it will opt me to. No, instead. How about if I disable the required field? No, still doesn't. So let's go to reports now. Yes, that was the PDF template, right? So let's go to the HR, then monthly. Currently, there's only one. So, and then let's see finance. Yeah, there's a lot now. So let's try export PDF offset. So man, so I can't export. So it was working a while ago. So this is the user management. You can invite the user, for example, let's invite my say this guy is an admin. Send invite, and there is an error. Business ID does not exist. Okay, so you can also toggle between staff and manager. And then the role management also you can edit. Super admin is the full, can access the full system. And admin also most of the system. And manager is the same. So yeah, that's the role management. I can add this. Can I add it? No. Standard. No, it's this because this one is an ongoing also. So let's go to the settings last. Subscription. Subscribe to a custom plan. I wonder if it goes to the paywall. No, it doesn't go to Stripe yet. So it should go to, oh yeah, it did. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it did. There it is. It's still in sandbox mode. So let's go back to the dashboard and settings, and that was the subscription. And then later I will add, I'll add in a API here. So now, yeah, this is the subscription status. Now you can save, you can edit the full name only, by the way, and can upload a business logo. I don't know, food truck, food and beverage. Still, wait, what the? Oh yeah, there it is. The upload logo and the food truck. Let's save. Mm, yeah, so that logo now will generate in the PDF export, which is not working. So let's see if I can add an entry. Select type, options available, test name, test name, expense details, test 100, save entry, and yeah, there it is. So I can export. Hopefully, no, cannot export. Yeah, I still can edit the fields here. Still not prompting the to select the drop down. So yeah, that's the full system. And there's a backup here. Create backup, and then you can restore the JSON format, the file. And here's also business settings, backup, profile, help and support. I don't know if there's, yeah, there is. Bolt created it for me, amazing. So sign up. Yes, it goes back to the landing page. So that was the business usual system. So yeah, we finished the walk-in POS. So now and the inventory. So we're skipping to the CRM. So recently I created a customer. So yeah, basically I added it here, and there's supposed to be a Kanban board for this status lead to drag and drop. But I think, yeah, I removed it because it was causing errors. But in the future, integrate it like a Kanban board, drag and drop, or pipe for marketing pipeline. So it has to be a lead or an active, and maybe I'll add another one, maybe sent email or something. So yeah, that's the CRM. So export, import also. Let's see, yeah, still I can import, but let's see if it doesn't work. So for the custom modules, you can actually create your own modules here in the sideboard, sidebar. So module name, let's see, what to input, employee, let's say reimbursement, yeah, reimbursement system. The icon. Well, this is just predefined via the Lucid React icon. So say folder, then create, create the module. So now you can you can make it a public form or not. So it's just private. So only the invited users can access the employee reimbursement. It will be added here below later. So yeah, so we can customize, we can add and view. So add your first field, let's say full name, enter full name, and it's a text and it's required. And then let's add again employee ID, enter employee. No, no, it's okay. Employee ID. Yeah, required. Yeah, the ID is a both text and then let's see, expense. The expense. Yeah, it's a required. It's a number. Oh no no no. Expense details. Price. So it's a number. It's a required field. And then let's say um, type of expense type. And it's actually date, select, and then make it required expense type. So actually, because there's a select, this is select, you can here an expense type. You can add allow multiple selections. Uh, why can't I scroll down? So what's this button do? No, it doesn't do anything. So yeah, save and close. There's supposed to be a selected option. It worked a while ago. I wonder why it's not working. Let's see. What if I put it there? And that is. No, it's a cancel. Let's save and close for now. Hmm. Yeah, there it is. Custom modules now. It's being shown. So you can add an entry here. Yeah, no options available. I wonder how it's supposed to have the thing where it can add selections. Oh, no, no, no. It's not the one. So let's go back. Maybe it works now. Oh, wait. What is it? Okay, more into that later. Let's go to the reports. This is where you can generate the different module reports. You can toggle in here. So you can select a module. Even the created module is here. Employee reimbursement. So yeah, monthly, weekly, bi-weekly custom, and here is the PDF templates where you can actually create templates. Here, this is reimbursement. Oh no, let's create for the invoice. Mm, Table. Is there food truck? Table. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's save. I think save. Yeah, it's can edit it again. Let's create spacer. No. Hmm. Show. What is? Okay, never mind. New invoice. Delete. Add a table. Then save. Invoice number. Let's see now if this works. Export. No, doesn't work. No. I wonder why can I wonder why it doesn't do a no. It worked earlier though. Why doesn't it work now? See. Let's see in the Bolt project if it works. Mhm. My bad, my bad. supposed to work. Delivery. Yeah. Yeah, it shows, it's supposed to show the options, but it's not showing because currently this is happening. Select, drop, drag and drop. And let's see if I create an expense here, it creates a PDF. If not, then you know. Hmm. So this one is disabled. I don't know. Think I need to deploy again.